Hi guys, welcome back to Lunar, and today we are going to be discovering and looking at this new computer we bought last year. Last week. So we're going to be using this to make more and more YouTube videos. I'm gonna have a little dance party. I'm gonna have a little dance party. Here, this box you are looking at is the Fractal case, the Fine 6. So people can live in here, but they have to be really tiny. Because guess what? The front opens like a door, and you can live inside it. But tiny, teeny people. You see these stickers? Oh, let's remove them first. Satisfying. Even more satisfying. What else can we press? Oh, here. Let's see what this does. Did this pop open? It did! You see guys, this has soundproof metal panels. Also, underneath it has a filter which stops all the dust from going inside. Let's pop it open. This is it. Little clear spaces. Let's put it back. There we go. You see this glass? Let's open it now. You see it has fans on it at the top? I'll switch this on soon so you can see what color they are. Let's take this panel off now. There we go. See this? It has heat and soundproof material. So that's why it's really expensive. About $300. See, this is the other panel that I removed from the other side. Hello. Wow, look at all these cables. They're so... This is where we're going to install all our other hard drives. Here at the front of the box, we have USB ports, a power button, and headphone ports. Okay guys, let's turn it on now. Look at all the fancy lights. Ooh, it's like blue, like everything's blue. It's so, those fans on top are so satisfying to watch. There's a bit of red. Nice combination. Red and blue, not bad. Ooh, I'm gonna have a little dance party. 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 I'm gonna have a little dance. Bye. Another special thing about this computer is that it has water cooling MasterLiquid ML240L. Usually computers have fan cooling, but this one here you see has a little round thing which holds some kinds of liquid, similar to a car radiator cooling. Under this one it has its brain, Intel i9 1900KF processor. Speed is 3.7 gigahertz and can go up to 5.3 gigahertz. After that, here is the main storage. Samsung 970 EVO M.2 SSD. This can hold up to 1 TB. In addition to this, we will install 8 TB on the other side. Then we have another very important part here. We need this graphics card to edit my videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a GeForce RTX 3070 dedicated graphics card with 8 GB of DDR6. It has 3 fans to cool down. This computer has 64 GB of DDR4 RAM. You see it here? See 4 sticks? That's 4 times 16 equals 64. Lastly, we have the motherboard here. Some people call it a logic board. This is a Gigabyte Z490. This even has Bluetooth version 5 and Wi-Fi. And guys, look, this is magnetic. Ready? Magnetic. Magnetic, magnetic, magnetic. Also, this motherboard supports digital sound. So, it can output to our Yamaha amplifier so we can edit the sound of my YouTube videos to become better. Because this computer is super powerful, it only takes 5 seconds to reboot to Windows 10 Pro. 3, 2, 1, ha! Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you liked it, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notifications bell so get notified whenever I make an amazing video like this. Bye for now, folks. Ow.